Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back at the channel Our Style Knowledge by Umme Hassan. Apple has taken down one of the world's most popular Quran app in China following a request from officials. Quran Majid is available across the world on App Store and has nearly 150,000 reviews. It is used by millions of Muslims. The BBC understands that the app was removed for hosting illegal religious text. The Chinese government has not responded to the BBC's request for comment. The deletion of the app was first noticed by the Apple Censorship, a website that monitors apps on Apple's App Store globally. In a statement from the app's maker, PDMS, the company said, according to the Apple, our app Quran Majid has been removed from the China App Store because it includes content that require additional documentation from Chinese authorities. He said that we are trying to get in touch with the Cyberspace Administration of China and relevant Chinese authorities to get this issue resolved. The company said it had close to 1 million users in China. The Chinese Communist Party officially recognizes Islam as the religion in the country. However, China has been accused of human rights violation and even genocide against the mostly Muslim ethnic group in Xinjiang. Earlier this year, the BBC reported that the imams has been targeted in China's Xinjiang province crackdown. Apple declined to comment but directed the BBC to its human rights policy, which states we are required to comply with local laws and at the time there are complex issues about which we may disagree with the government. However, it is not clear what rules the app has broken in China. China is one of the Apple's biggest market and the company's supply chain is heavily reliant on Chinese manufacturing. The New York Times reported earlier this year that Apple takes down apps in China if deemed off limit by the Chinese government. Benjamin Ismail, project manager at Apple Censorship, said, currently, Apple is being turned into the censorship bureau of Beijing. They need to do the right things and then face whatever the reaction of the Chinese government. Another popular religious app, Olive Tree Bible app, was also taken down this week in China. The company told the BBC they had removed the app themselves. Olive Tree Bible software was informed during the App Store review process that we are required to provide a permit demonstrating our authorizations to distribute an app with book or magazine content in mainland China, said a spokesperson. Since we didn't have the permit and needed to get our app update approved and out to customer, we removed our Bible app from China's App Store. Now Apple removes popular Quran Majid app and Bible app in China in apparent government censorship.